In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect from your work tasks by changing your home screen in Todoist. Whether you're on a work break or simply want to unwind, separating your personal life from work is crucial for better focus and relaxation. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this. First, open your web browser and type in app.todoist.com auth login. This will bring you to the Todoist login page. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Start by typing in your email address in the designated field. Make sure it's the one associated with your Todoist account. After that, enter your password. Remember, it's important to keep your credentials safe, so consider using a password manager if you find it hard to keep track. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker login method, you have the option to log in by clicking Continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. This can save time and streamline the process, especially if you're already logged into one of those platforms. Now that you're logged in, it's time to change your home screen settings to help you disconnect from work tasks. Navigate to the settings by locating the settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and a menu will appear. Once inside the settings, click on General. This is where you'll find various options to tailor your Todoist experience to your preferences. Scroll through until you find the option for customizing your home view. This is the setting that allows you to choose what appears on your home screen when you open Todoist. To personalize it further, you can select a filter, project, or label that only contains your personal tasks. This way, when you open Todoist, you'll have an immediate view of what matters to you outside of work, whether it's a weekend project or a list of errands. Finally, after you've made your selections, make sure to save the changes. Confirming your new home screen setting ensures that your Todoist account reflects this personalization the next time you log in, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a workspace in Todoist that emphasizes your personal life, helping you disconnect from work and focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maintaining a balanced and productive life.